Do you want to extract data from the corrupted archive file? In this video we are going to give you one-stop solution to recover archive files. Sysintotools Archive Recovery can easily recover, extract and save your data from an archive file. It supports archive format like RAR, TAR, ZIP, ZIP64, GZ, and 7-zip. Let's move on with some important features like the software supports zip file created on Mac OS. Fix every unexpected corruption errors of archive file. Recover archive files of more than 1 terabyte. Perform batch recovery of damaged archive files. You can freely download the software from our official website. Go to the database recovery section, and from the compress recovery section click on archive recovery. And finally download the software. After the software successfully downloaded, install and run the software on your system. How it work? Once you launch the archive recovery, you get different file type options. Choose any one of the archive file type and click on next button. Now choose one from two options, single file to recover one Excel file and multiple file to recovery multiple files. Here we are going for single Excel file recovery. Browse the file from the system, click next. You can now see all the data within the archive file. Select the A file or files to extract and save in a new file. Now select the destination path to save your recovered archive file. Click on Save button. Click on OK button after save is completed. Lastly, close the application. Thank you for watching the video. For more such updates, subscribe the channel and follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn.